Look at this Pambazo, guys. Oh my God. There's one thing that other people don't do, and we're gonna do it right here. What's up, people? My name is Omar, and this is Omar Over Fire. Today, we're gonna be making something really, really nice. Some people call it a torta. Some people call it Pambazos. And that's what we're gonna be making today. I got 3 guajillo chiles, and then we got 1 New Mexico chile. These ones are spicy ones, especially these ones. I'm putting some garlic in there, half of onion. Let's put some more of this oil. We want to put our peppers in there. One thing we don't want to do is overcook those guajillo chiles and the New Mexico chile. If we overcook them, the sauce is going to be bitter. Look at the sear on these tomatoes. Look at that. They're looking really, really nice. When you roast your tomatoes, your onions, peppers, and everything just like that, it gives it a really distinct flavors to the salsa. I'm gonna add some black pepper in there. Just like that, just a little bit. You add a little bit of black pepper on those tomatoes and then sear them really good. The flavor of it is really, really good. Smoky pepper. To this, I'm gonna add a little bit of oil. We're gonna add some salt and a little bit more black pepper. Let's take this to the blender and make it some salsa. We'll be right back and red roasted salsa. Look at that. Wow, it's good. Not hot, but it's really, really good. And this is what we're going to be using in there. We're going to peel some potatoes real quick. Shouldn't take that much time. I'm going to take these potatoes and we're going to wash them. All right, these are clean. This is going to be really simple. We're just going to make a little square pieces. Just like that. And then chorizo. They're burning wood. They're doing something. Now we're going to add some of these onions. We're going to add some black pepper. And we're going to add some salt. Not too much. We're going to cover it up. Now, this is just traditional Mexican bread, okay? You can find it pretty much at any Mexican store, and Walmart sells something similar to this, and it's really good too. You can try that. So what we do with this, we open it up in half. 2 and 3. Now here's the kicker though. This salsa right here, this is what we're gonna be using. I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do. Look at this, guys. Oh my goodness, look at this. Listen to the sizzling in there. It's the best thing ever. So we're gonna cut our bread in 2 halves. Now the top of it, this is the bottom. See? See? This is the bottom. So this one right here, this is the one that we're gonna use. I'm gonna show you. To our bottom pieces, what we're gonna do, we're gonna spread some of this butter. But I cannot believe it's not butter. It's really good though. And we're gonna do that only for the bottom. Last time I went to Mexico, in every corner they sell these things here, and they're so good and really easy to make. We got some of these letters, we just wash them. We're gonna use them here. Our bread, we're gonna put it in here. Oh my God, you guys have no idea what we create in here. So good. There's one thing that other people don't do, and we're gonna do it right here. Look at this. Chorizo, potatoes, onions. The smell of it is really, really good. Let's make these things. This salsa that we made, this is how we're going to use it. Watch this. Watch this, guys. This is what's gonna make the difference right here. That right there, that's what makes the difference between the traditional and Omar over the fire. And then we got this. This is our crema. This is something that I like to use. You don't have to use it. If you don't want to, you don't have to use it. You can use mayonnaise, you can use something else if you want to. This is what I like to use. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. It's not burned. It's not burned, okay? That's where the flavor is. If you like this type of content, go check out my friend Mark. He has a nice channel. It's Lone Bull Barbecue. And if you like fishing content, go visit my friend Tim. He is from Arizona Outdoors. Go watch his channel. This guy can catch fish on live. Now we're getting into the good stuff. So the first thing we're gonna do, I like to put a little bit of crema in it like this. And then watch this. Nice avocado slices. The salsa that we made. I'm gonna put a little bit of this salsa. The same salsa we made for this. We're gonna put some in there like that. Listen to that. Look at that. Look at this, guys. Let's try it out. This is so good. What do you think of that? Pulling the salsa right straight onto that and just lay down the bread right over it, smear it really nice, and let it sizzle for a little bit. It turns out perfect, guys. Well, people, thank you so much for being here with me in my kitchen. I appreciate everything you guys are doing for me. Thank you so much. But this is all I got for you. I love you, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.